Imagine stepping into someone else's shoes to uncover hidden truths. Self-Made Man, My Year Disguised as a Man, by Norah Vincent, takes us on a daring journey across the gender divide, revealing startling insights about society, identity, and the unspoken rules that govern our lives. Norah Vincent, a female journalist, embarks on an extraordinary experiment. She transforms into Ned, adopting male attire and mannerisms to experience life as a man. This transformation isn't just physical, but also a deep immersion into the social dynamics of masculinity. As Ned Vincent steps into exclusively male spaces, she explores a bowling league, a monastery, a men's therapy group, and the high-pressure world of door-to-door sales. Each setting unveils different facets of male camaraderie, competition, and vulnerability. Vincent as Ned confronts the harsh realities of male stereotypes and expectations. In moments of isolation and struggle, she gains profound insights into the emotional and social burdens men carry, challenging her own preconceptions about gender roles. Through Ned's eyes, Vincent experiences the complexities of male identity, leading to a deeper understanding of both genders. Her experiment blurs societal lines, revealing how gender roles are constructed and how they shape our interactions and perceptions. Vincent uncovers a hidden world of male vulnerability. In the men's group, Ned witnesses raw emotional sharing, defying the stereotype of stoic masculinity and highlighting the societal pressure on men to conceal their feelings. Vincent's journey as Ned concludes, bringing transformative insights. This unique odyssey not only alters her understanding of masculinity, but also deepens her comprehension of societal pressures and the human condition across genders. Key takeaway 1. Gender roles are deeply ingrained yet malleable, affecting every aspect of life. Key takeaway 2. Understanding and empathy across genders can lead to more authentic and fulfilling human interactions. Norah Vincent's Self-Made Man is more than a social experiment. It's a mirror reflecting our deeply held beliefs and biases. It challenges us to question and redefine our understanding of gender, identity, and human connection.